Hi everybody, it's Megan. I do hope all of you are doing well. Today is going to be an exciting video. It is part one of a Louis Vuitton new release unboxing haul. Very excited to show you guys what I did receive, but I do want to preface this video by saying my thoughts and prayers go to everybody that is affected by this coronavirus. Since it is worldwide, my thoughts and prayers do go out to each and every one of you. I kindly ask that you do tune into the latter part of this video, as I will be talking about automatic negative thoughts, why it's so important to combat those negative thoughts and strategies on how to do so. If you do enjoy this video, I kindly ask that you consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button below. Also, if you click on that notification bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video. Like I said, this is a Louis Vuitton new release unboxing haul. Let's get into the fun stuff. The inside of the box looks like this. We'll take the bag out. We have the beautiful and gorgeous, newly released Louis Vuitton Escale Blue Neverfull MM. Just looking at this blue color right now makes my heart sing in a tremendous way, I gotta say. It's such a pretty bag. I do find this to be an absolutely stunning bag. First thing I notice with this bag is the structure. I do have classic Neverfulls where I really feel like I need an organizer to help maintain a shape for the bag, but this one truly carries a structure and shape of its own. It's interesting because when I first saw this collection online, I wasn't that impressed with the Neverfull. However, it did grow on me. First of all, I adore the color blue. I love the Neverfull, and I also love the combination of the giant on one side and then the classic smaller LVs on the other. Louis Vuitton did decide to go with the smaller LVs on the bottom of the bag, which I absolutely adore. And I must mention, the handles on this bag are extremely sturdy. They're definitely not stiff, they're just made with quality. Now, as a lot of you guys do know, the Neverfull does come with a pouch, and wait until you see this one. Are you guys ready for this? It is absolutely beautiful. I think you guys will concur. The combination of blue colors that Louis Vuitton chose is absolutely amazing to me. I am loving the fact that this bag does feature silver hardware, and I need to show you one of the best features of this bag, which happens to be the interior. You can see little LVs all over the interior of the bag. So the interior is absolutely gorgeous, and then the interior on the pouch does not disappoint. I am absolutely loving it, and I can't say how much I adore this bag. A lot of you guys know I am a huge Louis Vuitton canvas lover, but this truly adds a unique, classy, and very, very trendy look, a trendy look that I believe will stay in style for many, many years to come. Also, what I just realized is you have the small LVs on one side, you have the larger LVs on the other, so it's kind of like getting two bags in one. That's a good thing. I do think this looks absolutely adorable, and I can't wait to use it in the outside world, that's for sure. So I'm very happy and excited to be able to show you guys this new addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. From the new Louis Vuitton collection, this is the Neverfull, and I did choose it in blue. I think all colors are gorgeous. It really just comes down to personal preference. Now let's get into the second item that I purchased. I'm not sure if you guys are aware of it. I presume a lot of you are. Based off of this dust bag, any ideas? It is the beautiful and gorgeous Louis Vuitton card holder, and I really have no words for this color blue. I think it's absolutely stunning. Like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull that I did show you guys, I did mention that my favorite color is blue. This is an absolutely gorgeous blue, and it reminds me a lot of a place that I did visit in November of 2019 with my husband, Bora Bora. I love that place so very much, and the water truly is the exact same color as this color blue. So that's why it truly appeals to me. In the front, you can see there's plenty of room for cards, as well as in the back, there's a roomy pocket if you'd like to add more. This interior is extremely roomy. For Louis Vuitton, the price point on this for what you get, how gorgeous the piece is, was truly amazing to me. This very special piece that reminds me so much of Bora Bora has more sentimental value. A lot of you guys do know that follow me. I've mentioned that whenever a piece is made in Italy, like this one is, it means so very much because my dad did pass away. He was Italian, and in my heart, I know he bought it for me because I know he would if he could. So I'm absolutely thrilled to have this beautiful and gorgeous, stunning, unique piece added to my collection. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on this blue card holder, and or any comments or questions on this newly added Louis Vuitton Escale, I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, but I know you guys know what I mean, Neverfull in the blue that's been added to my collection, please do leave those in the comment section below. As I always say, I love hearing from you guys. Now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics, as I typically do, from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I thought it was very important to go over the topic of combating automatic negative thoughts. As a lot of you guys know, I've mentioned so very many times on my channel that it is so important to protect our peace of mind. Automatic negative thoughts threaten your peace of mind. They want to take your peace from you. Spiritual warfare is a very real thing, and if there's ever a time to realize that, it's now. The battle of darkness versus light is constantly going on within our minds. I have spoken to many people, and there is a lot of fear going on, and that's completely understandable. But we simply must stand on God's word and his promises. If there's ever a time to get close with God in our spirituality, it's right now. I do think the most important thing that we could possibly be doing right now is staying close to God, because he is going to be the one to give you the peace that surpasses all understanding. That's his peace. For any of you guys that might be interested, there is a Bible out there that exists that translates the Bible in a very easy way to comprehend. It's called the Touchpoint Bible, and I will definitely include a link to that within my description box below. It's wonderful because not only does it translate the Bible in a very easy way to comprehend, but you will also find an array of different exercises and references to go on. Say, for example, you're looking up a specific topic, it will give you passages within the Bible that pertain to that topic. I definitely recommend checking out that book. Lastly, I'd like to say, when these automatic negative thoughts do come to the forefront of our mind, it is very important for us to automatically squish that ant and not give it any life. Think about something that is positive. It doesn't matter what it is. Say, for example, a happy memory, something that you have within your life that makes you smile, something that you have going on within your life that you are extremely grateful for. Gratitude is truly a doorway to happiness. So when the automatic negative thoughts do come to the forefront of our minds, let's squish them, not give them any life. And when they come back again and again, like they will, let's repeat that pattern. Also, let's please keep the faith. Know that this is not a surprise to God. He has us taken care of. We are his children. He will never forsake us. We are so very blessed. That is what I have to say on the topic of combating automatic negative thoughts. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did just speak of, and or any comments or questions on the newly added items to my Louis Vuitton collection, I forgot about them for a brief moment while I was speaking. The beautiful and gorgeous Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the blue. I adore this so very much. I really can't say enough about this gorgeous interior. Also, this beautiful new card holder with this beautiful blue color. Please do leave those in the comment section below. I shall say it again. I always adore hearing from you guys. I thank you guys so very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which I am very much looking forward to, part 2 of the unboxing haul. You guys take care. I will be seeing you very, very soon. Bye.